Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Hostinger hosting in 2024. Of course, connecting your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger, to do so, you'll need to follow some few simple steps. It's going to be basically easy. You'll basically have to set up your domain to points to your Hostinger hosting service effectively during or using some DNS records. So make sure to stick by and let's get started.
Make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience.
First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically go to the URL section, go to both GoDaddy and Hostinger.com. Hit the enter button. This should take you into the home screen, main screen of both. Make sure to log in into both accounts. If you have an account, if you don't, go and create a new account. So, example here, you choose Google. I don't want to go through all the bonus steps of creating or even logging into your account. And yeah, it should be good to go. So now, the first thing is to check if you have your domain in GoDaddy. To do so, go and click on your name at the top right corner. Click on My Products right here. And once you do so, here, as you can see on domains, you don't have any domains yet. Make it easier for customers to find your website by attaching a domain. To do so, I'll just go here and click on Manage All, and I'll click on Find Your First Domain. Here, I'll enter the domain that I want. For me, as example, I'll just enter, like, example, this one, ceramics.shop. And as you can see, so I want to get this for a year. So if you want to get this for more than a year, this is not the best option because as you can see, the next year will be you'll be charged like almost $50. You can get .com even much better. It gets charged $22 for the second year. First year will be 1 cent. You can even get, I don't know why is that premium and why is that expensive, but I'll ignore it. So here, of course, I'll just go in here and click on continue with that as an example. Here, as you can see, I'll have to choose whatever I want. So free domain privacy, the only option. Protection of your domain. Do you want full domain protection? It will cost you $12 per domain per year. Or do you want ultimate domain protection? It will cost you $22 per domain per year. Or you don't want any protection. For me, I don't want any. And tell the world about your site. As example, it included your domain. And if you want some professional emails, you can get that also. As you can see, there's one for $2, which will get you 10 gigabytes email storage. Example, this one will get you more advanced security, etc. This one will get you more. So it's pretty cheap. If you want to get some emails, professional email will be very useful. Just get this one as example. For me, I don't want to. I'll just choose no professional emails and click on continue to cart. Here, as an example, I'll be taken to the checkout where I should pay. So, example for 1 year, $1.5. For 2 years, it will be not just doubled, not just tripled. It will be x50 or x like 30 something or 40 something. Yeah, so it's very, very expensive. So if you want to get this for a year, perfect. More than a year, don't get this. Just go with .com. It's the best. You can check the prices by your own. So now it's time for you to pay with PayPal or with your card, whatever suits you. Once you do so, go back to your products example. So go to GoDaddy, click in here, click on my products, and again, go back in here. Of course, you'll find your domain. You can click on manage on it. So for me, I'll just go in here and click on manage all because I don't have a domain yet. Then click on DNS on the domain that you click on manage. So you can access the DNS settings of that specific like domain name. Now we'll need to go and get the Hostinger name service. We go to Hostinger example. If we go here to domain as example, so we'll have option to transfer, as you can see, a domain to Hostinger example. So you can look for the domain that you want to transfer. They'll show you if it's available for it. So if it's locked, they will show you even how to unlock it. But even in Hostinger and even a lot of other options. It goes to GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost, whatever suits you. But for us, we don't want to like transfer. We want to connect. So to connect it, of course, you would like to have a website to connect it into something. For me, I don't have a website yet, but of course, for you, make sure to select like a plan to get, as example, maybe this one, get a plan, make a website, then you'll be able to connect into it. Once you have your website, you'll find the connect option. Go and click on that connect option. They'll provide you with some DNS records or some name servers. So you'll have to go to access the DNS settings of your URL as you were before you go to Hostinger, as we said before. And you'll have to update those DNS or name servers. In the DNS records or settings of your domain, you'll have to look at name server sections. By default, it may be set to defaults. Change it to custom and enter the hosting name servers you obtained earlier. Normally, they should give you two, but if they provide four, just go and enter all the four. Normally, it should be ns1.hostinger.com, ns2. Of course, name server one. It should be like something like that. So I'll just show you. So it should be so ns1.hostinger.com. This is going to be basically a name, under name like server one, two dots as example, and you have to enter like this. So yeah, the following should be the same basically. So the following should be the same, like name server 2, name server 3, name server 4. Name server 3 and 4, not they don't always like add us, but if they add us, just add it. So all you need to do is simply just the NS 1, 2, 3, 4, and etc. Once you change those name servers, click on save. So you'll have to wait for the changes until they propagate. You'll have to wait like few hours, maximum a day. Once you do so, go back here in Hostinger, you'll find the verify option. Click on it to verify it's connected. And how to test if the connection is done, you can simply open a new tab and go to example, and the domain that you just connect, as example, maybe it's omex.com or something like that. Hit the enter button, and instead of pointing into GoDaddy, it should point into Hostinger, and you should be good to go without any problems. That's how you basically test the connection. It should now direct to Hostinger hosting account, indicating a successful connection instead of GoDaddy. So you successfully connected your GoDaddy domain to Hostinger hosting. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.